Want fresh, healthy soy milk at home? We're counting down the top 5 best soy milk makers that blend power, speed, and simplicity. Watch till the end, your perfect pick might be number 1. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Meet the Kittasile Nut Milk Maker, your all-in-one solution for healthy homemade drinks. With 8-in-1 versatility, it lets you craft nut milk, oat milk, rice paste, and more. Its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for beginners, while the 2-hour heat preservation keeps your creations warm and ready. The compact design fits any kitchen, and it comes with complete accessories like a strainer, nut milk bag, cleaning brush, and a recipe book. Healthy living just got easier with Kittasile. Item number 4. Introducing the Ark Mira Soy Milk Maker, your go-to machine for fresh, non-dairy beverages. With 8-in-1 versatility, it makes almond, oat, and soy milk, plus smoothies and hot or cold drinks. No soaking needed, and the LED screen makes timing and temperature control precise. Its 8-blade stainless steel design ensures smooth blending, while features like Keep Warm, Delay Start, and Self-Clean add extra convenience. With all essential accessories included, Ark Mira makes plant-based living simple, smart, and sustainable. Item number 3. Meet the Ark Mira Glass Nut Milk Maker, the smarter way to enjoy plant-based drinks. It makes 35 ounces of fresh milk from nuts, grains, or beans in minutes. With one-touch programs, skip soaking and choose from hot, warm, or room temp options. Its 10-blade stainless steel design ensures ultra-smooth blending, while the LED screen, auto shutoff, and self-cleaning add safety and ease. The glass design lets you watch the process in real time. Accessories included for a complete, healthy milk-making experience. Item number 2. Introducing the Secura Milk Frother and Hot Chocolate Maker, the perfect tool for creamy lattes, cappuccinos, and rich hot chocolate. With double the capacity of most frothers, it makes up to 250 milliliters of froth or 500 milliliters of hot milk. The frothing and heating whisks are designed for both hot and cold drinks and conveniently store in the base. Its removable stainless steel jug is dishwasher safe and easy to pour with zero mess. The detachable base ensures hassle-free cleaning and smooth kitchen use. Item number 1. Introducing the LMFUN Nut Milk Maker, your all-in-one solution for healthy homemade plant-based milk. With a powerful motor and 20-blade 3D design, it blends smoothly without needing filtering. Its 1,500 milliliter capacity and soundproof design make it perfect for family use. Enjoy 10 versatile functions, including almond, oat, soy milk, baby food, and more. Features like auto-cleaning, 8-hour keep warm, and 24-hour delay start add convenience. Made with food-grade glass, stainless steel blades, and non-stick ceramic coating. Easy to use, clean, and comes with all essential accessories for a seamless experience. Which of these soy milk makers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.